Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure 2 controllers are paired and 2 profiles are signed in. This is essential because the game maps progress per account. Once done, press the second controller's Xbox button, follow the pairing prompt, and confirm the second profile. Next, open Black Ops 6 and pick a mode that supports split screen, usually multiplayer or zombies. You do this now so the game loads both player slots. That prevents sign-in errors later and speeds up the next configuration step. Now, move into the game's lobby or the selected mode, and add player 2 by selecting the empty player slot or using invite/add player. You should see both controller inputs active. If player 2 controller doesn't respond, repair it and press it to join. Once both players are present, open the game options to set split screen preferences, choose horizontal or vertical split, tweak HUD scale, and check aim assist or controller sensitivity per player. These settings ensure comfortable play and balanced controls for both. Finish by starting the match and confirming that each side of the screen shows the correct player, controls feel right, and audio mixes as expected. If you see input lag, screen flicker, or missing player, pause and return to lobby, reassign controllers, or change split orientation. Sometimes vertical versus horizontal fixes visibility issues. Make sure both the console and game are up to date, and if persistent problems occur, power cycle the Xbox to clear the cache. That resolve covers most split-screen faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.